Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and first of all I'd like to wish everybody that's from Canada a happy Thanksgiving Day, because tomorrow in Canada will be Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving Day to all of you guys. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful cake and show you how to do those perfect two-tone buttercream swirls and that cute little pumpkin. So if you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. Another kit that is super easy to make, basically you're just going to do your chrome coat and your second coat of whatever buttercream shade color that you want. I chose to go with white because I found that the colors would pop more. So did that, and then for the cute little pumpkins, I simply use my 1M piping tip, my go-to, love, love, love the 1M piping tip. And then for the branch, the brown part, the top part, I use a similar piping tip but smaller. And then I use my leaf, also piping tip, and a little round piping tip to do the little swirls, the little leaves, yeah, the little swirls. And then to create a beautiful swirls, what I did is that once again I use a piping tip number 1 that I put in one bag, and then inside that bag I did 2 piping bags with the colors that I wanted. And then what I do is that I take each bag and put it inside the big bag, and then I can go ahead and pipe it. I love this technique because the swirls are like really, really perfect. Like the colors are like really, really nice. You can also do one piping bag and then do one color on the side and the other color on the other side, which works nice. It's just that they're gonna blend in together. So if you like that look also, which is cute, there's no problem with it, but I wasn't going for that particular look. But if you want that, it works also. And the cute little sprinkles comes from Sugarella, and they have just amazing sprinkles. It's called the Sprinkle Bentley because there are different sprinkles in one little bottle, and they're just amazing, good quality. Love, love, love the company. And by the way, I have a cute surprise. I know you guys know because I mentioned it in my previous video, but you can have actually 15% off the entire website of Sugarella if you use my code, which is Liliana15 for 15% off. So that's a really, really good deal. So again, thank you Sugarella for the promo code. By the way, this video is not sponsored, so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. I also want to wish you again a happy Thanksgiving Day to all my Canadian friends and subscribers and family members, and I wish you all a beautiful week. See you in the next one.